Hello there, Airsoft World. A lot of you have been sending me messages. Why is green gas so expensive and everything? Is there anything else I can use? And of course, as many have told you before, you can use old-fashioned propane. Alright, now, I know what you're all thinking. Propane? Yes. And plus, propane is much more powerful than green gas due to some tests that I've done. Now, in order for you to use propane, you're gonna need this little guy. What this is that it's a propane adapter. I'm going to show you how to do it. This is the cap. It's okay to lose this, but if you want everything that came with it, just keep it on. Safety, dust, and everything. Alright, just leave that there. Alright. Now, in order for the propane to work, you're going to need this too, silicone oil. What you got to do is that you got to spray very minimal of this into the propane nozzle and then screw it on. Allow me to demonstrate. Now, the first step of this is getting silicone oil. A 50 milliliter bottle will do. Use a little bit of sprays in it, about 3. Now, if you can see at all, there's a little bit of silicone oil, not sure, but there's some in there. You're gonna wait about 30 seconds so that the silicone oil can drip down in the bottle and it will provide a healthy and long life for your metal magazine. Now that we're done with this, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna screw on the propane adapter now. What you gotta do, simply take off the cap, screw it in clockwise. Add just a tiny bit of pressure on it because there is a spring in it that will allow this thing to push up and properly feed the magazine. Now to the exciting part. Filling up the magazine. I just so happen to have my M9 3R magazine. What you're gonna do, hold it straight upside down. You can see that that's where the gas is gonna go in. You're gonna hold this upside down and you're gonna press lightly but not too hard on it for about 5 or 3 seconds, starting now. If you can hear the hissing, that's good. Now the hissing is gonna stop when it's full. And by the way, propane does smell bad. So if you're gonna do it outdoors, not like me right now. Alright? Now I know. Alright, Airsoft World, these have been the Airsoft Doctors, and we're signing out.